Now let's see the datasets for segmentation that you can use for the segmentation experiments. Tray food dataset is a food segmentation dataset consists of 43 food classes. This database contains a total of 1241 food images with 17 unique tray where images were rotated, wrapped, and flipped version of the unique trays. The dataset is composed of distinctive food classes, for example, bread, ham, custard, margarine, pumpkin, zucchini, milk, baked fish, cream potato, orange juice, etc. Tray dataset is a well-defined, publicly available with all food images and their respective ground truth segmentation masks on Kaggle. The tray food dataset contains 4 folders. The first folder is X-Train folder that basically contains the training images. There are total 1241 training images. And the second folder is Y-Train folder, that is the annotated images for the X-Train images. The second folder is Y-Train that consists of annotated images for X-Train, that is basically the corresponding annotations for the X-Train images. The third folder is X-Test that is basically contains 8 unique test food images. Obviously these are the test images, so these images in the testing set is not present in the training set. And the Y-Test folder contains the corresponding annotated ground truth images for the X-Test images. Here you can see the X-Test. Tray food segmentation dataset is available on the Kaggle. Here you can see the Kaggle link. So tray food segmentation is publicly available food segmentation dataset that you can download from this link, or you can just type tray food segmentation on the Google and you will find this dataset. So if you open the Google and type tray food segmentation Kaggle dataset, so it's loading. So here you can see the first link, tray food segmentation Kaggle. So open it. Now you can see the detail about this dataset. This dataset was created for a final year university project. The aim was to classify and segment items that are on tray. Images were annotated. So here you can see the details. On the left side, here you can see the dataset. If I expand this, here you can see the folders X-Test, X-Train, Y-Test, Y-Train, and also you can find the number of classes in the CSV file. So you can download this dataset and can use for the segmentation experiments. Tray food segmentation dataset consists of 43 food classes including the background. You can see the ID of the classes starting from 0 and then the names of the classes. So here you can see the tray, cutlery, form, straw, meatball, beef, bread, margarine, apple, milk, custard, juice, water, etc. So this dataset contains all these classes. Now you can see the tray food dataset image visual representation. For example, here is the original image. You can see the original image of the tray with the different foods. And next to the original image, there is corresponding annotated image of the original image, or you can say the ground truth, or also we can say the segmentation mask. Now let's see another segmentation dataset, that is Cityscape segmentation dataset. The Cityscape dataset focuses on semantic understanding of urban street scenes, that is available at the following link, or you just open the Google and type Cityscape segmentation. Now just open the Google and type Cityscape dataset and search. Here you can see the Cityscapes dataset, the very first link, open it. So now on this website you can find the more detail about this dataset. Here you can see the dataset overview, examples, benchmark suite. So the Cityscape dataset is a new large-scale dataset that contains a diverse set of stereo video sequence recorded in street scenes from 50 different cities, with high quality pixel level annotations of 5000 frames in addition to a large set of 20,000 weekly annotated frames. So the Cityscape dataset is intended for assessing the performance of vision algorithms for major tasks of semantic urban scene understanding. And if you want to see the details on annotated classes and example of annotations, so let's see the annotated classes. So here you can see the classes definition for the Cityscapes dataset. So now let's see the overview of this dataset. So here you can see the overview. So if you click the overview, so now you can see the dataset overview and its features, and then here you can see the more details and the metadata about the Cityscapes dataset, how it is being recorded, and then you can see the labeling policy and then classes definition. Here are the classes for this datasets. And if you want to see the examples, so here you can see the examples link. So click on the example link. You can see the examples of the high quality dense pixels annotations, and you can also notice the different colors for different objects. So these overlaid colors basically encode the semantic classes, as we have already seen the classes. So you can see the classes details, also you can see the classes definition. Anyhow, you can download this dataset and you can perform the segmentation experiments. So dataset is available with the annotations. Here you can see on the top the download. So you can download this dataset from here and you can use for the segmentation experiments.